How to change the batteries on a TX600 lift. Note: before carrying out any work on a TX600 lift, remember to switch off the power first. This action can be carried out by pulling the off cord on the underside of the lift. First, using a posy screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws on top of the lift. These screws do not need to be removed. Next, use a slotted screwdriver to remove the 2 brass screws from the cover. Now gently remove the cover away from the lift. Proceed to rotate the lift 180 degrees. Using a slotted screwdriver, remove the 2 brass screws from the second cover. Now gently remove the cover away from the lift. Next, remove the power supply cable by pressing down on the latch and then pull perpendicularly away from the PCB. Now release the hook and loop straps to give access to the batteries. Next, detach the power cables from the battery terminal. After this, remove both batteries from their brackets. Refitting is a reversal of the removal process, noting the following points. A. Make sure the battery terminal are on the outer edge and the terminals are pointing inwards. B. Ensure the positive lead, red, goes to the correct side of the lift and the negative lead, black, goes to the correct side of the lift. C. Ensure the hook and loop straps are installed in the fashion as shown. Reconnect the power lead to the PCB. When reassembling the cover plates, make sure the profile edge marries up with the bottom cover and ensure the slots on the top side of the cover align with the posy screws. Ensure you fit the brass screws first on both covers prior to tightening the 4 posy screws. Last, turn the power on by pushing the power cord upwards on the underside of the lift.